Going southbound, I believe.
Looks like he's picking up some speed for sure.
Yeah, he did accelerate. We're kind of flying blind here right now. Sky 12 is up in the sky over this, tracking this. Wow, he's got to be going around 90 miles an hour, 80, 90 right now.
Oh, okay.
That's a Corvette, and looks like we may have lost the shot. But again, he's going southbound on I-7, southbound on I-17, back into feet to figure out where this driver is. Again, it's that yellow Corvette at the top of your screen.
DPS, Phoenix Police, both following this suspect right here, this person that's driving, and we are told it's possibly related to a homicide from earlier today. But as Bram mentioned, we're still waiting to get confirmation from both DPS as well as Phoenix Police. But if you're anywhere in this area, be prepared for however this might end, because like Bram said, we want to see this come to a safe. Making a
and there it is, DPS right there, baby. DPS. So you got a weapon? Keep it left side a little bit. Left.
I'd like to just performed a stand by for the call. Performed a did at Del Valley, east of 17.
Multiple units, 550,
All
go
right,
ahead.
folks. Finally has come to an end here.
Firebird DPS.
This was the only way they were going to get this guy to stop. There's a dog.
Firebird, I copy you got him at Death Valley, 1320.
Hey, 15, I got you.
Copy.
All right, now they think he has a weapon, folks.
Central.
Whew. Holy cow.